Man, where can I find a mate like this? Oh, if only I could train with someone like that. Fucking hell. Oh.
Hey bro, how you going? We well? How you going?
What the fuck? Yeah, so Jack's leg there just made me throw up and fuck. Jack, what the fuck, man? Look at it. Look at this dude.
Let's get it up.
Alright, it's Friday. Going to Brendo's, train some arms, standard procedure, arm workout in 3, 2, 1.
Well,
I reckon I can do better.
That's the most pussy Harry's had in the fucking in the last year.
To change the plans, I thought we were training arms, but we're training shoulders. So shoulder workout in 3, 2, 1. Where are we going? Look at this. What is this piss? What should we be doing? That's what you say. We should pop a monster, bro. Do it.
pop a monster.
Yeah, so we're asking this guy for Monster, and he told us about this one called Beaver Buzz.
Favorite is this one from Canada called Beaver Buzz. Take him on a couple road trips, and I had 2 of them.
Yeah.
I guess it's working.
That shirts it up.
They got citrus. What did he say? Oh, green tea is his favorite one, didn't he?
They have an iced tea one.
Yeah.
So it's not sweet at all. Like it just tastes like
Oh, okay.
iced tea.
Yeah. What the fuck? How much money are you planning on spending?
Probably like 500. I wouldn't say more than 500.
Oh, hats. If only you knew. Yeah, go on.
Classic. Alright. Good enough for 2 packs.
Oh,
Definitely good enough for
was that tough? Was it exasperated? Yeah, go on.
Treat yourself.
Have you ever seen someone buy so much absolute garbage?
Normally when it's this much, it's for a vending machine.
Yeah, well, he's not far off. Where are you going to put all this? That's this week's vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hatman. Hats. What the fuck?
For my theme song, my leather black jeans on, my by any means on, part and I'm getting my scream on.
Hey, Hats, you want a drink?
No, not really.
Oh, no.
Nah, drink it up.